In recent years, the gaming industry has witnessed a remarkable resurgence of handheld gaming consoles, igniting nostalgia among gamers worldwide. The release of innovative devices like the Steam Deck, ROG Ally, and ONEXPLAYER 2 Pro has taken portable gaming to new heights, offering unparalleled gaming experiences on the go. Alongside these high-end powerhouses, there has been a delightful trend of introducing low-powered handhelds catering to the love of retro gaming, and one such gem that has captured the hearts of gamers is the Pocket 2s, launched by Retroid. The Retroid Pocket 2s is a handheld gaming console that may not boast the same raw power as some of its counterparts, but it certainly has its unique strengths that set it apart in the world of retro gaming. One of its standout features is its captivating retro aesthetics, which evoke a strong sense of nostalgia, resonating with gamers who fondly remember the golden era of gaming. Beyond its vintage charm, the Pocket 2s addresses a common pain point for gamers, with its innovative 3D Hall effect joysticks. Unlike traditional joysticks, which can suffer from stick drift issues over time due to wear and tear, Hall effect joysticks utilize magnets and sensors to detect movement. This appearance makes them more durable and accurate, ensuring a more reliable and enjoyable gaming experience for players. The handheld console's compact and portable appearance makes it easy to carry around, making it perfect for gaming on the go. It measures 155 by 80.6 by 28 mm and weighs just 200 grams, fitting comfortably in the hands of gamers. Powering the device is the Unisoc Tiger T610 SoC, complemented by a Mali-G52 MC2 GPU for handling graphics processing, delivering an efficient and satisfying gaming performance. The 3.5-inch touchscreen display is a key element of the Pocket 2s, boasting a resolution of 640 by 480 pixels and a classic 4:3 aspect ratio. This display size and aspect ratio are well suited for retro gaming, maintaining the authentic feel of the games from the past. To ensure uninterrupted gaming sessions, the console is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, providing sufficient playtime without the need for frequent charging. This long-lasting battery life allows gamers to immerse themselves in their favorite titles for extended periods. The Pocket 2s offers users the flexibility to choose between 32 or 64 gigs of storage, providing ample space to store a diverse collection of retro games. Moreover, to ensure smooth gaming performance, the device comes with either 3 or 4 gigs of RAM, enhancing the overall gaming experience. The Retroid Pocket 2s is not only a portal to the nostalgic world of retro gaming, but also a gateway to a vast ecosystem of games and apps. Running on Android 11, the handheld console provides users with access to an extensive library of games, both classic and modern, available on the Android platform. One of the most enticing aspects of the Retroid Pocket 2s is its affordability. Priced at $99 for the 3 and 32 gigs variant and $119 for the 4 and 64 gigs variant, the console presents an attractive option for retro gaming enthusiasts on a budget. This competitive pricing, coupled with its impressive features, makes it an appealing choice for both seasoned gamers and newcomers alike. Excitement for the Pocket 2s has been building up, and eager gamers have been eagerly placing pre-orders. With the announcement that shipping for Retroid Pocket 2s pre-orders will commence on August 10th, anticipation reaches its peak. Soon, players around the world will have the opportunity to experience the joy of retro gaming in the palm of their hands. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and see you soon.